Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's adventure, we are dispersed truck camping at a scenic overlook in the Arizona desert. Alright guys, so we're all packed up. We are going to be taking a little off-road adventure and camping for the evening. Come along. Y'all, I wish you could see how bright it is tonight. The entire sky is lit up. I am a little chilly. I'm gonna have to change into some warmer clothes. It's just a quick handheld air pump. So this is what it looks like, guys. They're actually pretty plush. Hubby's doing owl mating calls. No, I really did hear an owl. I wish you guys could see. Look at that. It's so beautiful out. We have our tote, chairs, cooler, extra lights. So yeah, I finally got a shower house. I also got a shower. I've been complaining for so long that I want a shower. So I'm gonna test this out tomorrow and see how it works. I had to put on another shirt. It actually isn't that cold right now. The wind is totally ceased and the moon is out and it's just so beautiful and there's so much light in the sky. This is hubby's. He never brings his own snacks, and I always end up having to bring something for him because then he complains he's hungry, but he swears he doesn't want anything. I think it's a ploy to eat my Quest cookies. Okay, maybe not, but anyways, these are Quest cookies. Oh, I also have some tea in here. Pistachios. All right, guys. Ugh. It's been a really long day. I'm super tired. It's actually 1:11. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap things up and get in the back, maybe start watching a movie and get some sleep. Wow. It's gonna be an absolutely beautiful day. I think it's supposed to be in the high 80s for those mountains. Good morning. Whew. I woke up this morning with a headache. The sun is blazing, so it's kind of making it a little bit worse. I'm gonna go ahead and change out of my sweatpants and my long sleeve shirt. Definitely gonna need some sunscreen, and I'm going to freshen up for the day. Hubby is gonna make some bacon and eggs as usual. I love bacon and eggs, guys. We're just gonna be kind of like lazily getting out of here today. You don't have any other plans. It's not like you have to rush out. I do want to try out my new shower too, so yeah. This is just a tarp because I sunburn so easily. All right, so it's filled with water and we're supposed to leave it in the sun so that it can get hot. You guys hear that? Definitely not something you hear in the city. It works pretty good, guys.
the bag fills up with air. The only thing is, it's not warm yet. Wow. But I'm about to pick up all of this bedding, get everything set back up, and start packing up the things that we don't need. It is about 12. We're just finishing up breakfast. Once we eat, I'm gonna try to figure out the shower situation, the shower house, and see if it works. I just want to test it out, and then I'll get dressed, pack up, and head home. All right, guys, it's time for a little bit more energy. All right, so we went ahead and picked up the mattress and all the bedding, got it all folded, and we put the seats back. He's trying to eat us. Okay, so we did attempt to put up the portable pop-up pod. Unfortunately, the pegs that they provide, they're just not very good pegs, and with the gravel not being soft, it was just, they weren't working. So we're gonna have to invest in different pegs. Although I'm pretty happy with this shower right here. It is starting to get warmer and warmer. I was gonna test it out for you guys today, but unfortunately without the shower house, that's not gonna happen. Oh, sunscreen. I had to put a secondary layer all over because the sun is blazing. It's absolutely gorgeous out. There is quite a lot of people here today that I see coming in and out. Again, it doesn't affect our campsite because we're off the road in our own little cut over here. Camper Dan, he's got 4x4 if we need it, and yeah, so I'm not concerned about being off the beaten path. So right now, we're basically just picking up and probably just going to head home soon. It is getting later and later. I just wanted to stay another night, but we can't. They'll always be next weekend.
Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more fun adventures with Tasia.